Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare a turkey fan for mounting. Begin by removing pin feathers and washing the base gently. Next, dry the fan flat and inspect for symmetry and missing feathers. Trim any damaged tips for a cleaner line and plan the mount orientation based on tail spread. Measure from quill center to edge to position hardware accurately and mark attachment points before assembling the mount. Start by inspecting the fan for fragile areas and loose barbs. Soak the base briefly to loosen debris, then gently brush along each feather with a soft toothbrush. Rinse carefully and pat dry without rubbing to protect barb integrity. Allow the fan to air dry completely on a flat surface to maintain spread shape. Once dry, realign any bent barbs and perform a final symmetry check before moving to mounting preparations. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes downtime enjoyable while you work on mounts, with a glare-free screen and long battery life for reading plans. I find it perfect for field guides and identification notes while prepping mounts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Position your fan on the chosen plaque or shield and use a paper template to ensure perfect symmetry. Reinforce the quill base with archival glue or discrete dowels to secure heavy fans. Mark attachment points clearly and pre-drill pilot holes if using screws to prevent splitting the quill. Test attach with temporary clamps or tape to confirm balance before final fastening. Finish by trimming any excess quill and cleaning fingerprints.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.